Hi friends, today I'm testing out 5 top-rated Amazon egg organizers to see which ones are actually worth the money. The eggs I'll be using for this test are these 5 dozen cage-free eggs from Costco. First up, we have this auto-rolling egg organizer, priced at $11.98 for 1 pack. The quality feels like your standard plastic, nothing fancy, but it gets the job done. Putting the eggs in is pretty straightforward. The top lid is removable, which makes it easy to load. Just a quick tip, don't drop the eggs in from the top and let them roll down. I tried that and one of the egg cracked. This organizer can hold up to 12 eggs. I tried adding more, but it just didn't fit. As for the functionality, the rolling design works well overall. It makes it easy to grab the next egg without needing both hands. But here's something to note. Sometimes an egg gets stuck at the top. I tested this several times and it happened pretty often. You will need to give it a little shake to get things moving. On the plus side, this organizer is slim and space saving. So overall, for just $12, it's a solid option. It's not perfect, but it's definitely functional and has a lot of convenience. Next up, we have this stackable automatic rolling egg organizer with a removable inner tray. It's priced at $24.99 for a pack of 2, but it also comes in 1 pack for $17.99 or a pack of 3 for $36.99, so it's pretty flexible depending on how much storage you need. Right away, this one feels like a step up in design. The stackable feature is perfect if you buy eggs in bulk, and it's quite sturdy. It doesn't slide or move around easily. Adding eggs in is super easy and smooth, and the removable inner tray makes it so much more convenient to refill without having to take the whole organizer out of the fridge. Each tray holds up to 14 eggs, so a pack of 2 stores 28 eggs total. Just like the first one, it uses a gravity-fed rolling system, so when you take an egg, the next one automatically rolls forward. But this one runs much smoothly. No jam, no stuck eggs during my test. It's also easy to access with just one hand. The only minor side is that it's a bit wider in size compared to the first organizer, but still compact enough to fit in most fridge layouts. Overall, this is a really solid option. It's functional, well designed, and definitely something I'd recommend. The next one is the drawer style egg organizer that slides out for easy access. Right off the bat, the quality feels really nice, definitely more premium than the others, but it's also the most expensive, priced at $23.16 for a pack of 1. Each organizer holds up to 18 eggs, which is a great capacity. Loading eggs is super easy as well. I saw some reviews mention that extra large eggs might not fit, so I tested with slightly larger brown eggs, and they fit just fine, but still something to keep in mind if you regularly buy jumbo-sized eggs. But here's a few things I want to point out. When I placed the drawer on the top shelf of my fridge, it was a little awkward to grab the eggs. My wrist had to twist in an uncomfortable way. It works much better on the lower shelf, where the sliding drawer is easier to access. Also, the drawer slides out really smoothly, to the point where the whole thing can fall out if you're not careful. So even though you can technically use one hand to grab an egg, you might need your other hand to hold the drawer in place. Overall, this is a pretty high quality organizer with a sleek design and great functionality, but it does come with a few drawbacks. Definitely a good option if you're looking for something sturdier and don't mind a slightly higher price. This next one is a standard egg holder with a lid. It comes in a pack of 2 for $13.99, making it the most affordable option so far. Surprisingly, the quality is really solid. The containers are stackable and sturdy, and they hold the eggs securely. I tested them with slightly larger brown eggs, and they fit in just fine. Each tray holds up to 14 eggs, and the slim design helps save space in the fridge. From a quality standpoint, I honestly have nothing negative to say. But when it comes to functionality, this one is the most inconvenient. To grab an egg, you have to open the lid, take one out, then close the lid again. And since the trays don't slide out, accessing the back row is harder. And to get to the bottom tray, you will need to remove the top tray completely in order to access the bottom one. So to me, this feels just like a fancier version of the original egg carton, only it's clear and a bit more durable. But the user experience is basically the same. If that's all you get, I'd rather not spend money on it when the regular packaging from store-bought eggs works just as well. So sadly, this one to me is a waste of money. The last one we're testing today is a hanging egg organizer with a pull-out tray, priced at $18.99. This organizer clips onto the fridge shelves, and to my surprise, the installation was easier than I expected. Accessing your egg is easy. You can easily do it with one hand, and the drawer doesn't slide all the way out unless you pull too hard, so it's relatively secure. One thing to know is that the product description says the egg will automatically roll forward thanks to a built-in slope, but I don't really see that happening here. The eggs just sit in place without much rolling. Just make sure your fridge is the right size before you buy it. Once installed, the drawer slides in and out smoothly, and it can hold up to 18 eggs. What I love most about this one is that it saves the most space. Since it's hanging from the shelf, it doesn't take up any shelf surface, and you can still store items underneath it. Overall, this is a clever space-saving option. If your fridge setup allows it, I think it's a great pick. And of course, who says you have to buy an egg organizer? You can always just use the carton your egg came in. Just cut it in half and stack them up. It saves space, gives you easy access, and when you finish one, you can just toss it out. Simple and free. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know in a comment which egg organizer you use. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.